This is Max from LionO360 with another important tip. Quickly and instantly send messages to your entire team with the LionO360 Stream module, which is located at the top left of the screen. The Stream is an exclusive social platform for your employees to communicate through. It allows users to send messages, choose the audience, create appreciation shoutouts, make special announcements, or even plan events. Foster a competitive spirit and motivate your sales reps by enabling them to announce their accomplishments in real time. Efficiently connect your teams and facilitate communication, rather than flooding inboxes with mass email chains. Inform staff of announcements such as new promotions they should be discussing with customers. With the ability to easily add a comment, everything gets pushed down the feed in our wall feature, allowing for cross-department communications without the need for follow-up meetings. The visibility of the dashboard, along with the effectiveness of the stream, will allow for an ease of communication within your organization and accountability on business metrics. The importance of having a streamlined communication systems within your organization is to avoid miscommunications and promote transparency within departments and roles. This feature is extremely useful for field service representatives who can access the stream through the LionO360 mobile app, allowing them to stay on top of important company matters with the organization in real time and when they are on the road. Whatever information you need, check out the LionO360 stream.